Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff, a lot of different modifications and everything else. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, because we're doing a lot of these kind of content. And right now the PHVs are going to be out soon, the 2023s are going to land soon. There's going to be a lot more we're going to cover. But in this video, we're gonna have a look at this. Should you do the chrome delete on your Outlander or not? So very often we have clients inquiring about the chrome delete, about black accessories, but this video gives you a unique perspective on how identical vehicle is looking side by side with and without chrome. So this time around, we'll have a look at the red color. So basically any color is gonna give you, like, this dramatic difference. Of course, if you chrome delete the white one or the black one, it's just gonna look a little bit different. But this time around, we can have a look how red one looks with the chrome delete. We even deleted Mitsubishi logo right here. So basically, that's a unique twist that we did this time around. And if we kind of have a look at the top to bottom, so in this video, we'll just have a look at the front looks. There's also chrome delete on the side that we did right here, right? So we won't, compare this in this video. We'll just have a look at the front. So basically, on the rooftop, we can see what we deleted here. So we deleted the entire roof wrapped with matte black. And basically this is just a factory version, right? So like this part here and this entire roof was wrapped black, so that already gives you this difference in how those vehicles look. And in this case, those roof rails stand out a little bit more, I think, because it just gives you a little bit more contrast between black and this silver looks, right? Then we go down a little bit, then we have the mirror caps. So same thing, these are factory mirror caps, and this is what they came out of after we deleted the red or wrapped it with black. And then of course the biggest difference we have in this chrome and this part right here, we added satin Outlander hood emblem here, and here we have black hood emblem. Then these horizontal lines across the grille, we deleted those as well, and we wrapped and deleted the Mitsubishi logo right here. Actually kind of looks cool. I like it how it turned out, so versus the shiny right here, right? So, and then this dynamic shield pod right here, we deleted as well. And now what we can see here, once we did that, basically the fog lights stand out a lot more, because on this one here, the fog lights are built into this dynamic shield right here, and they kind of blend in. You can't really tell the difference, but here it stands out. So here you get this, distinctive 2 lamp design. Here it's more so a very distinctive 3, right? So if daytime running lights, headlamps, and then fog lights right here. In this case, it kind of blends in. This case stands out. And also, I would say it's maybe a little bit harder to see in the camera, but somehow even these daytime running lights, it looks like they look different in the real world, right? So they look a little bit more, like I'd say they pop out a little bit more. Again, that's just because here we have this chrome line going, right? And you get a lot of light reflection, and there's no real kind of end to this lamp right here, versus right here you have everything black, and this is kind of like where from design perspective just kind of cuts out, and you have this light right here, right? So that's why it looks a little bit different. If we step away a little bit and look at it in distance, let's say you'd be driving, and then which one you can tell more. Yeah, so this one here right here, like all the chrome and whatnot stands out a lot more, and this one just black. The lights are like something that pops out, stands out, versus on this one all the chrome elements, hood emblem, the Mitsubishi logo, that's what stands out. So there we go. We just had a look how chrome delete, full chrome delete would look on Outlander. Some call it black edition, so I just call it chrome delete or black edition, doesn't really matter. If we look at the side perspective a little bit, we can see how this part looks a little bit different, and this black side molding as well versus the body colored, because on this one here we have the body colored side molding, right? So obviously if you go for chrome looks, maybe body side molding is a little bit better color matched. either way, you're not making wrong decision. But this video, we just mainly focused on the front, and this gives you an idea if you're thinking about deleting the chrome, maybe just this part or dynamic shield, or some people want to delete the Mitsubishi logo. Now you know how it looks. So thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you to all current subscribers and everybody else who's watching the video. So thank you so much, and see you next videos.